First, we'll open the glove box. On the corner, you can see there is a damper that's supposed to be pulled out. Just grab that damper and then pull it outwards. There's the damper pulled out. Inside the glove box, notice there's that clip that we're supposed to take out. We'll turn this clip anti-clockwise first and then pull it outwards. First clip is taken out. Similar to that, there is one more clip on the other corner that's also supposed to be taken out. Again, we'll turn it anti-clockwise and then pull it outwards. While taking out the second clip, you would notice the glove box is just falling apart, and right at the front you will see the position for the cabin air filter. We'll pull out the cover first by pressing the tabs from both sides. Once the cover is pulled out, right there you would see the cabin air filter. We'll slide out the cabin air filter. Seems like this filter was never changed before. We will throw the old filter aside. Here we have a new cabin air filter and we'll be placing it to that position. We make sure the filter is completely in, only then we will punch in the cover. Make sure both tabs of the cover are completely in place. That was one tab. Other tab also in. Seems like the cover is installed firm and strong. Now we'll go ahead and punch in both sides clips. We'll need to lift up the glove box halfway through, then punch in the clip and turn it clockwise. Same goes for the other side. Punch in the clip and then turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. Sometimes the damper goes a little in, so we just have to slide it outwards. Then we will punch in the damper until we hear a clicking sound. With the damper in place, now we will close the glove box. With that, we are done with the replacement of cabin air filter. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.